Malaria is a deadly disease that kills millions of people each year, primarily in developing countries. It is caused by a parasite that is transmitted to humans through mosquito bites. Malaria remains a major global health issue, despite efforts to control its spread. But there is now hope on the horizon. Scientists now have a new tool to combat this disease thanks to the development of CRISPR gene editing technology. CRISPR, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, is a method of gene modification that was first invented in 1987 but has become far more important over the last 20 years. CRISPR enables researchers to precisely target and edit specific genes, allowing us to modify mosquito DNA and prevent malaria in mosquitoes. We'll investigate the science. Look behind the technology to see how researchers are using it to develop new tools to combat this disease. CRISPR is a groundbreaking gene editing technology that has recently made headlines. It works by cutting DNA at specific locations with an enzyme called Cas9, which acts like a pair of molecular scissors. This enables scientists to precisely target specific genes and modify their DNA sequences. In the case of malaria, researchers are using CRISPR to modify mosquito DNA so that the parasite that causes the disease can no longer be transmitted. They accomplish this by introducing genes into mosquitoes that prevent the parasite from reproducing, effectively rendering it harmless. This could be a game changer in the fight against malaria because it would eliminate the need for chemical insecticides and other current control measures. CRISPR has the advantage of being highly efficient and precise, allowing researchers to make very specific changes to mosquito DNA. This means they can target only the genes involved in malaria transmission while leaving the rest of the mosquito's DNA unchanged. This is an important consideration because it helps to reduce the impact on the ecosystem and prevent resistance to the edited mosquitoes from developing. Another important aspect of using CRISPR to prevent malaria is how quickly and easily it can be done. Researchers can produce large numbers of mosquitoes with the edited genes in a relatively short period of time, implying that the technology's impact will be felt much sooner. This is especially important in malaria endemic areas because every day that a solution is not found puts people at risk. One other massive benefit of using CRISPR to combat the number of malaria infections is the reduced emissions from not using as many insecticides and other chemical methods of control which tend to be high in carbon. The genetic solution for malaria also removes the need for agricultural pesticides. And further, the reduction in emissions from emergency vehicles used to transport malaria victims to hospitals for care. Finally, CRISPR gene editing technology is proving to be a promising new tool in the fight against malaria. Researchers can prevent the parasite that causes the disease from spreading by using this technology to modify the DNA of mosquitoes. This could be a game changer in the fight against malaria because it would eliminate the need for chemical insecticides and other current control measures. CRISPR, with its high efficiency, precision, and rapid implementation, is potentially going to have a major impact on global health in the coming years and potentially help rid the world of this awful disease.